attack him. He's cold, so... Hold it. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Go back. Teach, look. Back. Stop being scared. It's not gonna bite you. Get close. It ain't gonna bite.
Here he comes.
Look at this. That's so cool. Take it, buddy.
Listen. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Where you going?
Go away! You're ripping everything up. Get some pictures, Joe. Holy, it's like a toy or something.
I got a ticket. You got a ticket? I got sleeping? I was driving.
Well, look who's scared.
He's sitting on him.
You're ugly. He spit on me.
Uh-oh. I'm scared. Uh-oh. Doug, what do you do? Doug. He's getting the... My goodness, look at all that jiggle. He ate a lot of honey. And he looks very shiny. He looks like he just came back from a bath.
I'm so glad I told you to video.
Oh my God!
Oh, that's the
Oh
best
my
show.
goodness! He's so cute. He's itchy from his bath. Oh my goodness!
Oh, bear.
Oh, itchy bear! Oh, look at all that jiggle.
He's sliding. Oh, he's going.
Oh, bye, Mr. Bear.
Lean back.
Oh,
Oh, man, I missed it. Don't tell me.
I'm not food.
Come on, man. I'm on the phone. I am trying to write an email. What? You stop it. You're yelling. I'm right here. Why are you raising your voice? Why are you raising your voice? I love you. You're sorry. You better be sorry.
love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
No tea.
They spit, so I would go. Go.
Oh, we haven't seen camels either, speaking of spitters. Hey,
Go, Dad,
okay,
go.
Brady.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I gotta go. Dad, go!
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is dangerous. Dangerous. Well, that means the rhinos are not too far. Whoa. I'm a little scared right now.
A little bit.
Not gonna lie. Yep. Not gonna lie.
Something's happening.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna back up a little bit there. Yeah, we'll just hang on over here for a few minutes.
Here he comes. Don't drag it up there. He's going to run after it. Don't let him drag your rod. Son of a... Oh well.
Oh, I'm literally getting the best video right now. Apollo is not hiding.
When did you go? Ah, did you? Bye.
I know. You're supposed to lock the door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that.
Oh.
You were in our car.
Oh my god.
I knew it was going to do something like that. Can I touch it?
No, do not touch it, Megan.
Oh, that was awesome, huh?
What is he doing? Sly's right there. Oh, okay, he's afraid of Sly. Oh, look, Sly's taking after him. Oh my god.
Okay, so he just climbed right up on my car. Throw a carrot. To this guy? Yeah, throw it, like, no, like off the car. Throw it off, don't encourage him. Throw it off the car. Lindsay! Okay, we're encouraging all. Oh my god. Get off my car, please.
Wow, she's standing way back up. Oh, wow.
Oh, there she goes.
Oh, she got it up. Oh my gosh, she got the mirror open.
No, my goodness.
Go Wow.
Hey, Mr. Bear, please close the door.
Oh my god, he just got right in that car. Oh, look at him. Look at. He
What
just
you
took
got?
it.